Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the payment decline error on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first, open your settings app and at the top, tap on your Apple ID or iCloud account. Next, go to the payment and shipping, and sometimes payment declines happen because there's an issue with your card info. So tap on your current payment method and scroll down and tap remove payment method. Confirm by tapping remove again. After that, tap add payment method and try adding the same card again. Make sure all the details and your billing address are correct. If it still doesn't work, try adding a different card, PayPal or another payment method you have. If adding a new payment method works, great. But if you don't have another card or if problems persist, contact your bank or card issuer. Sometimes there might be insufficient funds or a block on your card that needs clearing. Even if the new method works, it's good to check with your bank so you know why the problem happened and how to avoid it in the future. Thanks for watching.